Kalam again here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add audio to Blogger website. So first of all, you need to upload audio on Google Drive. So I upload this audio. So now just click on this three menu, then share, then copy link. Anyone with the link, then copy link, done. Then go to this template. So this template I will attach in first comment, so just copy, otherwise this link I will attach in my video description. You need to just copy your Google Drive link, then replace, otherwise just refresh a specific ID. You can see this is on K divided to B. Okay, just copy this area, then replace this one from here. Okay, just copy, then go to your specific post. So I want to add this song at the last moment. Make sure this is a HTML view. Just paste here, then update this web page, then scroll down, then wow, here are already added audio to my Blogger website. If I play, wow, it's really good and amazing. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.